Look, it's Tio. I'm gonna go scare him with my RC car. Alright, here we go. He's tripping. He just said, "Is that you?" And I sent him a question mark. Oh, he's running to the ATM now. Oh, let me go get him. Oh shit, he's dropping shit. Call Tio. Damn it, how do I call him? Tio, there we go. Call. Yo. What up, dude?
Dude, is that you?
What are you talking about?
Are you in the parking lot in your truck driving around in the RC car?
Maybe.
It's in your truck, dude. I was like, this has to be Dean. That's hilarious. I'm watching it right now.
Yeah, dude. I was like, no way. I was about to rip this right here, and I was like, wait, is that Tio? I'm gonna go spoof him with that car.
Yeah, you definitely spooked me for a second. I was like, who the fuck is this? But then I was like, that looks like Dean's truck. That looks like Tina's shit. I was like, that's gotta be Dean. And you're like, questioning me, like, I don't know, bro.
Yeah, I was trying to fuck with you.
That's hilarious, bro. I'm gonna pull up right next to you. I'm just gonna finish depositing these checks.
Alright, hell yeah.
Alright, I'll see you in a second.
Alright, later. That's hilarious. The homie pulled up.
Send it. Let's see what we got. We're here in the streets. Is there anybody? Empty.
Clear?
Ooh, clear. Oh, we got some traffic coming up over there. Like, look like more cars. Oh man. Chase him. Yeah, you should have chased him, bro. Just fucking chase after him, see if you can match our speed.
Oh, someone's crossing. Is that
Someone's
us?
crossing.
Is it
No, I don't think that's us, bro. I think it's just automatically doing it.
that racist, these guys?
Yeah. That's hilarious, bro. Go over by the sign.
Fine.
The sign over there. Start over there.
Start up there?
Yeah. So when you see him pass the sign, just gun it.
Like this?
Yeah. I'm gonna zoom in. Oh, this is gonna be great. Hopefully it's not a cop. Oh no, it's not. You're good. Go. He's just smoking it. Oh, this is gonna be great. Hopefully it's not a cop. Oh no, it's not. You're good. Go. He's just smoking it.